Cataract surgery with implantation of a foldable IOL via an injector has become standard nowadays. The advantages of delivering the IOL through the injector into the capsular bag without touching the conjunctiva lies in the prevention of bacterial contamination. An even better way would be the use of preloaded injector systems. This way, the IOL is not going through different hands before implantation. Prevention of endophthalmitis is one of the most important issues in modern cataract surgery. Societies like the ECRS and researchers are working constantly on preventive measures. In this video, we evaluated 3 IOL injector systems: the Hoya iSert system with the hydrophobic AF1 IOL, the Alcon Acrosert system with the hydrophobic Acrosoft IQ IOL, and the Zeiss Skyjet system with the hydrophilic Stabby ZO IOL. The purpose of the study was to evaluate these systems for ease of handling, ease of insertion, damage to the IOL, and incision size. Here you see the unpacking and preparation of the Zeiss Skyjet injector. This hydrophilic IOL is delivered in a blister package. The IOL is inside of a cassette filled with a sterile solution. The cassette is inserted into the Skyjet injector. The fixation locking seal is manually broken and the IOL can be moved forward into the injector's tip. This scene shows the preparation of the Alcon Acrosert system. This IOL is hydrophobic and comes dry packed. After injection of a viscoelastic, the locking seal is also opened, and the IOL can be pushed forward with the plunger. The Hoya iSert system is also dry packed. Again, the IOL chamber needs to be filled with a viscoelastic, and then the IOL can be pushed forward. The ease of handling was more or less identical with all 3 different systems. We then evaluated the insertion of the IOLs. Here you see the implantation of the Zeiss IOL. The lens smoothly slides into the capsular bag. The next scene shows the implantation of the preloaded Acrosoft IOL. The lens is easily injected. Afterwards, the haptics need to be repositioned. The Hoya IOL is implanted with a 2-handed technique. The IOL can be placed with both haptics into the capsular bag. Comparing all 3 systems, we can say that the insertion is very easy. The Hoya system requires a more sophisticated approach with its 2-handed technique, as seen again in this sequence. Concerning the damage of the IOL, we can say that there were no damages as long as the IOLs are handled appropriately. Here we see some sequences of measuring of the internal wound size using an Osher caliper. The measures of the incision size showed average incision sizes of 3.2 mm for the Acrosoft, 3.1 for the Skyjet, and 2.6 to 2.7 for the iSearch from Hoya. Here you see the distribution of the individual incision sizes. The Hoya IOL, the Alcon Acrocert, and the Zeiss Skyjet system. We found out that the 3 evaluated systems were all easy to handle, easy to insert, and safe in terms of IOL damage. Concerning the incision size, the Hoya Preloaded system showed the smallest values. The reason for this lies in the specific design of the tip. The slit in the opening can minimize the diameter of the tip when inserted into the wound. Inside the capsular bag, the nozzle opens and can release the IOL easily into the capsular bag. Therefore, the Hoya Preloaded system even fits into the openings of the other systems tested here. As seen with this study, we believe that preloaded IOL systems will be the future and the standard in modern cataract surgery and represent another preventive option against endophthalmitis.